Hi students, O-Levels Online presents the video lecture series for books of original entry. In this video, we'll discuss the Petty Cash Book and Impress system. This video series is helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O-Levels upcoming exams, either in June or November through CAIE or IGCSE for accounting 7707 or 0452. Let's begin the lesson material. What is Petty Cash Book? It is the second type of cash book and it is used to record small amounts paid for in cash. Because finance department more focus on cash book and they want to record small amount but have to keep separate for the clarity and future audits. Why petty cash book? As discussed earlier, business wants to separate small payments. If all included in the cash book, difficult to identify the important one and it would create difficulties for the finance department in upcoming audits. Advantages of petty cash book. There are two major advantages. First one is handling and recording tasks given to the junior person reduces the burden of the cashier, and secondly, it absorbs small payment entries. The cashier will focus on cash book entries properly. What is the Impress system? The cashier give enough money to petty cashier at the start of the period. Then with this money, petty cashier would handle minimal expenses like postage, cleaning material buying, staff traveling, etc. Then cashier will reimburse this amount to him called top up. And this top-up amount that requires to meet the starting level is called petty cash float. The whole system is called the Impress system. Let's see its implementation. The Impress system implementation for more than one period. Let's see the first period implementation. The cashier gives the starting amount to a petty cashier, that is 100. Now petty cashier spends 78 from this initial amount and have 22 in his hand. At the end of the period, the cashier will give him the top-up amount, that is 78. The point should be noted, it should be equal to the spent amount during the period. Both are equal. Now again, the petty cashier has a balance of 100 at the end of the month. Let's see the next period working. In this period, we'll see the same practice. The top-up amount is 84 and it is equal with the value spent during the period. Hopefully, you got the clear idea of the Impress system and petty cash book. If you have any query regarding the lesson, kindly ask in the comment section below. You can download the related formats and lesson material through the link provided below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more video like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.